Welcome everyone, Ed here from the Great Indoors, and today we are in Sanford, Michigan, or in that thereabouts, to investigate Northern Lanes Recreation Center. That's right, we are going bowling, Ed and Michelle here in Michigan, to see how the Buckeye State fares in the Wolverine State for bowling. So let's go check it out, Michigan style. When I first came upon this place, I thought we were going into a church. Maybe this was a church at one time, but I've never seen a bowling alley with like a roof like that. I don't know. Hopefully it's more of a bowling alley inside. All right, we made it in. And there's Michelle. There's your bowling ball, Michelle. Michigan style here. Northern Lanes in Michigan, central Michigan area. Pretty cool. When I came in the first time to see if there was bowling, we had a little bar over here that's all closed off. Of course, a mask is required. And here is the entrance with the pro shop over there. Cool stuff here in Michigan. First thing I noticed is the old school chairs that they got here. This is a league going on next door to us, so. Northern Lanes here. You're gonna go first, Michelle? I'll put you on the score sheet first, okay? Get it! Oh.
Ed bowling at Northern City. Yeah, that's a hammer ball.
That's how you do it. Oh, tough break. You know what? It wasn't even that expensive to bowl here. We're in the middle of the day on a Monday, $3.50 a game, and by today's standards, that's a pretty fair price. $14 for 4 games of pure enjoyment. Me and Michelle here in central Michigan. Let the good times roll. Okay, if I get a strike here, I'll finish with 4 in a row and a 199 game. Let's see if I can get it done. All right. Well, we got one more game to go to redeem myself. That's still below my average. I don't want Michigan to beat me. You gotta love that mural that they got running along the entire length of the center over here with the bowling pins and the bowling balls. Very retro. Cool stuff. And there's Michelle. Go ahead, Michelle, let's see if we can make this spare. Here she goes. Michelle. She gets all into it, and she chops it off. Oh, better luck next time, Michelle. Michelle, first shot, game 2. Getting a lot of 9 counts. I think she's becoming German on us. 999. Okay, now you know that I'm camera shy, because I was doing fine until the camera was on. Got the women's high scores, C's, Vankheim, team 279. B. Marshall 267. B. Marshall had a 697 series there. I guess this area is the home of the Midland High Chemics. And Dow, the bath cleaner spray, they're huge in this area. I mean, they pretty much control everything around here. Dow Chemical. You got the. I love this over here. They got not the vending machines, but this old school way of keeping you informed on what's going on. I remember when I used to bowl at Shoregate Lanes, they used to have your scoring sheets from your league in here for each night. That would be like a whole, your league if you were Wednesday, there'd be a Wednesday directory. If your Thursday league would be here and Friday would be there. But they got all these little light up signs here. Old school, definitely old school. And they got the old school snack bar here. You get the wings, chicken wings. So what'd you think of the Northern Lanes up here in Sanford, Michigan, Michelle?
It's a striking good time. I beat my score in the second game, 137. I could do better, but I had a lot of fun doing it in Michigan.
Isn't that what matters, that you had a good time?
Yes, and I got to be with you on a Monday afternoon.
Yeah, you know. Okay, anyway, I ended up bowling a 197, which was below my average, and a 216 the final game. But again, like Michelle said, it's not about the scores, it's about having a good time. Thanks for joining us, everyone.
Have a good one.
Have a great Northern Lanes day. Great Northern Lanes day, great indoors day, and great, whatever.